Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use MACD to multiple your income. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about the trading strategy and money mindset. If you want to make more money from trading, if you want to make more money for your financial freedom, click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. If you don't click like, don't click subscribe, I'm sorry, you mean you don't want more money. Okay, so first, now we check on the MACD. This is a free indicator. So I like to look from the long term first and then go to the short term. Okay, so if you are a long-term investor, you have to watch this video. Also, if you are a short-term investor, also it's very good strategy for you to learn. Okay, so now we open the MACD indicator. So I want to explain you a few things. The green bar mean energy. The green and red bar mean energy, but energy for different things. The green bar is the energy for the buying power. The red bar is the selling energy of the selling energy. Okay, so it's the power of the selling energy. So and then we have two lines, the blue line and the red line. When the blue line go below this red line, this means it's a downtrend. When the blue line is go above this red line, this means it's a strong trend. It's going up. Okay, but what people usually ignore is this line, the 0 line. You see the 0% line here. So basically, it's very important where is the golden course. Okay, when the golden course come above this 0 point, this is a very strong trend. Okay, sometimes it go below 0 trend, it still go up. I will show you right now. Okay, so now we look at the Tesla monthly chart. So for example, last time when we have the golden basically, okay, the first golden is here. You can see that price is around, it happened also with a green bar. Okay, so the green bar and the golden range, the golden course go above 0. And what happened is they go all the way up. Okay, of course, this one you can also see here. Here, the second golden course is around this line. So this one is below the 0 and then go above. At that time, the price is around $22. The highest price is 24. Okay, so and then they go all the way up. If you use this strategy, if you just use golden course to buy, and then when they happen a death course to sell, you make crazy profits already. This is just look at one chart, one indicator, so easy. And so you sell here when the red bar happen, and also over the death course happen, you sell. So you can sell, even you sell at the lowest price. You bought at 24, you sell at 273. So you're making crazy profit. You're making more than 10 times profit. Okay, so very easy strategy, I would say. 10 times in from 2019 to 2022. I mean, it's not too bad, right? 10 times. Okay, so easy. The other one, I want you to check the color. The color of the red, if it's dark red, it means a strong power of the selling. Light red is less strong selling power. Dark green is strong buying power. Light green is less strong buying power, but still positive. It's still green, you see, so still go up. But just the momentum is less than before. You see, when it's red, you see how big is the candle to go up. The dark green, you see how big is the candle to go up. You see this one, they go up by 43%. Just one bar. This is a monthly chart, so it's in 1 month. Okay, so now you can see Tesla is about to flash the green bar very soon, and you see this one, the blue is going to go across above this red line. So this is a golden course, number 1. So number 2 is they go across before above 0, the value 0. So it's very strong, strong trend. Okay, so we just need to wait to flash the green bar for long-term investor. Okay, so let's say if you use the same strategy to buy, you close your eyes just to buy with this monthly chart, you make crazy money already. Okay, you just need to long hold. This is for long-term investor. Okay, the next one I want to show you is for the short-term investor. We have one more strategy for MACD, and not so many people know. I'm quite surprised. So I want to mention that to you to make some money for you. Okay, so golden cross, green bar, you buy, you sell when you have a death cross. Easy strategy if you don't want to learn any other indicator, okay? And I want to give you more tips if you want to buy lowest price. So you buy at this golden cross is around here, right? What if you want to buy at lower price? Can we buy here? Yes, I'm going to teach you how. So basically you find the longest red bar, this one, okay? So you make a line, two line basically, on the same candle, the highest price and the lowest price. I'm not saying you should buy at this candle. I'm never saying that because you can never know. This is the longest bar, okay? So let's say it happened quite long one, this one here. And you see it's going descending. The red selling power is descending, right? It's going weaker because it's light red. Okay, we draw two lines of this candle, the longest red bar, we draw a line. When the body go above this red bar, the highest price, you buy. You use this lowest price as a cut loss price. So you can buy at the lowest, at the lower point than the golden, than this candle, right? Okay, I repeat. When the price, the body go above this red bar, you buy. You sell, you cut loss. When the price go below, because it is possible because we don't have the green bar to confirm it is a strong trend. We don't have a golden course yet, right? You want to buy before. So you will have a risk they can go lower. How to tell? Is that sometimes they have a longer red bar happen. So it happen, okay? In downtrend it happen and it happened before also. So you need to do cut loss. So for example here, let's say you thought, oh, the red bar happen, the green bar here. So you buy when they go above this green line, this candle. Okay, so let's say you buy at you find, oh, this one is the longest red bar. Okay, let's say this one hasn't happened. Okay, let's say we are only here. You thought, oh, the green bar is about to happen. Okay, so let's say like this. Okay, so oh, there's a green one happen, and there's even a golden ratio, but below zero. So you see the tricky point is, so you bought here. Okay, let's say you bought it, and what happened is it go up, but ooh, it go down again. So you cut loss at the lowest price of this bar. Okay, so you saw at this. So your loss is very limited. Remember, when we do trade, we don't have 100% strategy. There's nothing 100% if you want to do trading. Always 70% to predict the trend. But what makes you a successful trader is you need to limit your loss to let the profit fly. So unlimited the profit and limit the cost. Okay, so there's no one single trader can do 100% bingo for the trade. Okay, you need to do a risk management. Okay, so you sell here and it's fine. You don't have the loss too much. You bought, like you bought here, you bought around 180. You sold around, this candle is 160. So it's still okay, right? You lost 10%. So it's still okay. Next time you buy, you make more than 10%, of course. So what is the percentage you can make? Oh, that is a good question. So I want to show you, what if you bought at, let's say you bought at this candle, or you bought when they go above, when they go above this candle, happen, the green bar happen, and the golden course happen at the same time. So this is a very good buying point. You buy at 116, okay? And you use the same strategy to sell at the depth course, which is around here. So it's 200. So 116 to 200 is almost a double. So you lost 10%, but you make a double. Double is 100%. So you make good profit, right? So this is the trading theory. You don't make 100% bingo for the trade, but you need to understand how to cut loss. Many people cannot make good profit because they don't know how to cut loss. They just, oh, the price go lower. Let's keep the stock because it's a good stock. It's a good company. Let's keep it. And then when they keep it, it's like 1 year, 2 year. So you waste your time. So what I teach in my course is like how to maximize your profit. If you want to learn more, take my full course. I have a course to teach you more strategy. Okay, this is one of the easiest strategy, I would say. If you don't want to take my course, you can use this strategy also, and I teach you here for free. So you can wait if you are safe investor. You can wait for the golden course or wait for the green bar happen. If you want to take risk, if you're a very aggressive investor, you can use this red bar as the highest price. When they go above, you buy. They go above with a green bar, please, okay? So you buy, okay? You cut loss at this lowest price, or you use the monthly chart for the buying signal, selling signal. So today, this is my sharing. I hope you can benefit from this strategy. Click like and subscribe and share with your friend if you like this strategy. And give me comment below what kind of stock you want me to analyze for you, okay? And I see you in the next video. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. See you. Bye-bye.